Sunrisers Hyderabad reignited their mastery of defending low totals as they held their nerve to clinch a thrilling 4-run win over Royal Challengers Bangalore on Wednesday. Chasing 142, Bangalore needed 13 of the final over. But Bhuvneshwar Kumar defended the total with gutso despite a 6 by AB de Villiers to give his team some joy amidst a rough season. Bangalore were given an early jolt with Bhuvneshwar Kumar trapping Virat Kohli LBW with an incoming delivery in the first over. Daniel Christian's promotion to 3 backfired as he chipped a catch to mid-off Siddharth Kaul. KS Bharat, who scored 12, slammed 2 boundaries before falling to gloving behind off Umran Malik in the 7th over. Rashid Khan's first ball to Glenn Maxwell was whipped over deep mid-wicket in the 8th over. When Khan returned for his next over, Maxwell took on him again. Slog sweeping over long on for a 6 followed by a wristy sweep through deep mid-wicket. In between, Malik was beating Maxwell for pace. Maxwell's partnership of 54 with Devdutt Padikkal ended in the 15th over as a direct hit from a sliding Kane Williamson at cover caught the right-hander short of his crease while taking a quick single. Padikkal's painstaking struggle to break free ended when he holed out to deep mid-wicket of Khan in the 17th over. Shahbaz Ahmed took 11 off Malik in the 18th over, including 2 boundaries, to bring the equation to 18 runs in the last 2 overs. Ahmed was dropped by Kumar at long on in the start of the 19th over, but pulled straight to mid-wicket on the 4th ball of Jason Holder. At the end, 13 of the final over proved to be a tall order for Bangalore despite de Villiers, who didn't take the strike much in the innings. Earlier put into batting first, Hyderabad was off to a flying start with Abhishek Sharma hitting George Garden for a 4 and 6 in the 2nd over. Sharma was dropped at deep backward square leg by Mohammad Sharaf, but Garden dismissed him on the very next ball, chipping a catch off the leading edge to mid-on. Kane Williamson got going with 2 boundaries against Siraj in the next over, clearing the drive through cover, followed by a back foot pull through square leg. He and Jason Roy catched upon anything loose to take Hyderabad to 50 for 1 at the end of power play. From there, Bangalore enforced a slow down with Yuzvendra Chahal and Shahbaz Ahmed bowling in tandem. Harshal Patel broke the 17-run partnership in the 12th over, getting Williamson bowled with an off-cutter. 3 overs later, Priyam Garg's bid to go big ended in pulling to deep mid-wicket of Daniel Christian. 1 brought 2 for Christian as Roy's middling stay at the crease ended with the bowler completing a quick return catch on follow-through. Hyderabad's troubles increased as Yuzvendra Chahal trapped Abdul Samad LBW in a successful review on the first ball of the 16th over. 2 overs later, Wriddhiman Saha miscued loft to long off on an off-cutter from Patel. Patel had his 3rd wicket of the match as Jason Holder bowled out to long on the final ball of the innings, which was enough on a sluggish pitch to win. I am Supan.